Welcome to the best picks. The best Downy laundry detergent is probably one of the most essential household products, but with so many options available, finding the right one can be a challenge. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Downy, exploring its different formulations, from fresh scents to powerful stain removers. We'll break down what makes Downy stand out and help you decide if it's the perfect choice for your laundry needs. Number 5. Tide Pods Plus Downy April Fresh Scent. This product cleans and conditions your clothes in just one step. It helps protect your clothes from stretching and fading during the wash cycle. Enjoy the signature Downy April Fresh Scent. It provides outstanding freshness to your laundry, leaving them smelling great. It comes from America's #1 trusted detergent brand. Consumers trust this product for its cleaning power and reliability. Each pod is a 4-in-1 solution. It includes detergent, stain remover, brightener, and Downy Fabric Protect technology. The new special film dissolves even better. It works effectively in both hot and cold water, ensuring a thorough clean. What we like? This product offers a 4-in-1 cleaning experience, tackling stains, brightening clothes, and protecting fabrics. Its special film dissolves even in cold water, making it perfect for all your laundry needs. If you are looking for a convenient and effective solution that works in any water temperature, you should consider this. What people say. These pods offer the ultimate convenience. Just pop one in the washer, and you're good to go. The combination of Tide detergent and Downy fabric softener leaves our clothes smelling amazing and feeling incredibly soft. Even tough stains are no match for the cleaning power of these pods. Number 4. Tide Pods Plus Downy April Fresh Scent, 73 count. Introducing Tide Pods Plus Downy. This innovative product combines the cleaning power of Tide with the conditioning benefits of Downy. It's designed to make your laundry routine easier and more effective. With Tide Pods Plus Downy, you get both cleaning and conditioning in a single step. This unique formula helps protect your clothes from stretching and fading, keeping them looking their best. Enjoy the signature Downy April Fresh Scent with every wash. This delightful fragrance will leave your clothes smelling fresh and clean, providing a long-lasting freshness. Tide is America's #1 trusted laundry detergent brand. You can trust this product to deliver outstanding cleaning results, making it a reliable choice for your laundry needs. Each Tide Pods is a 4-in-1 solution, including detergent, stain remover, brightener, and Downy Fabric Protect technology. It simplifies your laundry process, providing comprehensive care for your clothes. The new special film dissolves even better in both hot and cold water. This ensures that the product is effective in a wide range of washing conditions, providing optimal cleaning performance. What we like? This detergent cleans and conditions in one step, protecting your clothes from stretching and fading. It also boasts the signature April Fresh Scent, leaving your laundry smelling amazing. If you like the convenience of a single-step solution with a delightful fragrance, you should consider this. What people say. These pods offer the ultimate convenience. Just pop one in the washer, and you're good to go. The combination of Tide detergent and Downy fabric softener leaves our clothes smelling amazing and feeling incredibly soft. Even tough stains are no match for the cleaning power of these pods. Number 3. Tide Plus Downy April Fresh Laundry Detergent. This detergent combines the cleaning power of Tide with the color protection of Downy. It ensures your clothes are not only clean but also vibrant and fresh. Infused with softening agents, it adds a layer of comfort to your fabrics. This leaves your clothes feeling smooth and gentle against your skin. The more concentrated formula means more cleaning power in every drop. You get a superior clean with less product used, making it efficient for your laundry needs. Whether you have a high efficiency or a standard washing machine, this detergent is designed to work effectively. It provides a great clean in any type of laundry machine. Tide is America's most trusted laundry detergent brand. Consumers trust it for its superior cleaning ability and the fresh scent it leaves behind. What we like? This liquid detergent offers powerful cleaning and color protection, ensuring your clothes stay vibrant. It also adds a layer of smooth comfort to your fabrics. If you have sensitive skin or want to keep your colors bright, you should consider this. What people say. Tide with Downy combines the renowned cleaning power of Tide with the softness and fresh scent of Downy fabric softener. The HE formula is designed to work in high-efficiency washing machines, which use less water. Tide with Downy effectively cleans clothes, removing stains and dirt. It also softens fabrics, reducing the need for separate fabric softener. Number 2. Tide plus Downy April Fresh Liquid Laundry Detergent. Introducing Tide plus Downy Liquid Detergent, combining Tide's powerful cleaning with the iconic April Fresh scent of Downy. It's designed to give your clothes an exceptional clean and a long-lasting fresh fragrance. This detergent features a concentrated formula, ensuring a powerful cleaning solution for your laundry. A little goes a long way, providing effective stain removal and leaving your clothes looking their best. This versatile liquid detergent is compatible with both HE and non-HE washing machines. You can use it in any washing machine, making it a convenient choice for all your laundry needs. This product is part of the trusted Tide Plus collection, guaranteeing high quality and effective cleaning performance. You can trust it to deliver outstanding results with every wash. From America's #1 detergent brand, this product is the top choice of dermatologists. It effectively removes 100% of common stains, even in cold water, ensuring your clothes are clean and fresh. What we like? With a concentrated formula, this detergent provides powerful cleaning for all types of washing machines. It is also compatible with both HE and non-HE machines. If you have a variety of machines in your home or want a versatile detergent, you should consider this. What people say. Tide with Downy combines the renowned cleaning power of Tide with the softness and fresh scent of Downy fabric softener. The HE formula is designed to work in high-efficiency washing machines, which use less water. Tide with Downy effectively cleans clothes, removing stains and dirt. It also softens fabrics, reducing the need for separate fabric softener. Number 1. Tide plus Downy April Fresh 46 ounces 2-pack. Are you tired of multiple products for clean and soft clothes? This is the perfect solution. It combines the cleaning power of Tide with the softness of Downy. This detergent is designed to deliver exceptional cleaning performance. It effectively removes stains and leaves your clothes looking their best. Experience the luxurious softness that Downy brings to your laundry. You'll love how your clothes feel against your skin. Tide plus a touch of Downy simplifies your laundry routine. It's a convenient and effective way to achieve clean and soft clothes in one step. This product is a high-efficiency liquid laundry detergent. It is specially formulated to work well in HE machines, ensuring optimal cleaning and care for your clothes. Try it today. What we like? This is your all-in-one solution for clean, soft, and fresh-smelling clothes. You can see the clean and feel the softness. If you like a simple, effective detergent that delivers on all fronts, you should consider this. What people say. The scent lasts but isn't overpowering. Great quality, laundry is clean and smells great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.